Hello, welcome to the Maverick Trading Prop Firm. Are you a good trader but you are limited by your trading capital? Have you put in tons of work into trading without the proper return? Do a few bad trades wipe out your good ones? Would you make different trades with more capital? Would it help you if you were accountable to somebody? Well, welcome to Maverick Trading. Let's get started. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly what we do, how we back our traders with real capital, and whether you might be a fit for us. We're going to be talking about who we're looking for as traders and also who we're not looking for. We're going to discuss how prop trading works. Some people don't know exactly how it works. We're going to talk about how you can earn money as a trader from a professional firm. We're going to talk about what it takes to qualify to trade firm capital. And we're also going to talk about the steps of this recruiting process. First off, let's start out with some of the history of Maverick Trading. Maverick Trading was formed in 1997 as a direct access broker-dealer. We sold our broker-dealer operations in 2003 and moved into prop trading. In 2007, we offered prop trading remotely, one of the very first firms to do that. In 2009, we selected Interactive Brokers as our trading software. We still use them to this day. In 2010, we opened up our currencies division called Maverick Currencies. In 2012, we released our Maverick Trading book, published by McGraw-Hill. In 2020, we made an appearance on CNBC, partnering with Wall Street Bound. And all of our traders together have 200 plus years of experience. I've always said the best and worst thing about Maverick is we're all traders. Let's go ahead and start out with what is prop trading or proprietary trading. Prop trading is a privately funded firm that hires traders to trade its capital for them just to generate a return for the firm. Maverick Trading is a little different. We specialize in options trading. We believe options offer superior risk control, capital efficiency, and potential of return, but we are strategy agnostic at Maverick. What that means is we don't really care what strategy you trade. All we care about is risk and risk management and whether or not your trading fits within our risk management systems. As a private trading firm, we are looking to hire traders. Now, we look to hire all sorts of different people. We like experienced traders. We like traders that we can also train to be great. Your responsibilities as a Maverick trader will be to, number one, develop and follow your approved trading plan. We do not want clones at Maverick. We want traders that are running their own book, their own strategies over different timeframes. That's what makes us all work. You are also in charge of managing your own risk within the firm guidelines. We are going to be very clear on what those guidelines are in the next video. And your job is to fit your trading within those risk guidelines. Also, your job is to track and journal your trades weekly. Journaling is such a big part of trading, we're going to make that a requirement. We would appreciate if you participated in the firm's activities. We have live trading sessions during the week. We have a Discord server, we have a forum, and once a year we have a yearly summit where we all get together in person to discuss trading. And we expect all of our traders to act with professionalism and independence. You will be in charge of trading your book or your account. And off of that, we are going to be paying you profit splits. Now let's get into how these profit splits work. Let's say that you are on an 80% profit split with the firm. A professional trader will start with $25,000 at level 1. So let's say that a trader started and at level 1, they made $2,000 for the period. Now we are options traders, so our period is the third Friday of every month when monthly options expire. So the third Friday of every month to the next third Friday of every month is the period. If that trader made $2,000 for the period with an 80% split, they would earn $1,600 and the firm would keep $400. Now those earnings, they can either take them out, get paid immediately, or you can leave them in to have more buying power. This is an independent contractor position, so any earnings will be issued a 1099 at the end of the year. That means you are responsible for your own reporting and your own taxes. As you can see, each level gets more capital. So let's talk about that. What do you need to do to get to more capital? Well, we have very simple rules at Maverick. Other prop firms make very complex rules. Ours are very simple. We want profitable traders, period. 2 consecutive profitable months will earn you a level advancement. So from level 1 up to level 2, you'll go to $50,000 of trading capital. If you have 2 more consecutive profitable months after that, you're going to go up to level 3 and so forth. At the higher levels, after we've seen you trade for a while, we just have a discussion with our traders and we come to a negotiation on proper capital levels. So let's talk about who we are looking for. Number one, we're looking for dedicated people who love trading. One thing we cannot help people with is passion. You have to have the passion for this. You have to have the fire. We can show you exactly what to do. We can train you. We can test you. That's what we're going to do. But unless you have that fire, we're not looking for you. We're looking for self-starters who are willing to put in the time and effort to complete our qualification program. There are 3 qualifications everybody must meet. Number 1, you must pass our online tests. You must demonstrate you know what you're doing in the world of trading. Number 2, you must develop and submit a personalized trading plan that tells exactly how you're going to trade, any adjustments you're going to make, all your position sizing and risk management rules. Number 3, you then have to trade that system inside one of our demo accounts and have 2 consecutive profitable months in order to trade live. We'll be talking about the requirements to go live. They are going to be time and effort. There's no question about it. If you're not willing to put that in, then just go ahead and turn this video off. We're looking for people who thrive in a collegial environment. We want a community here at Maverick. That's one of the things we've really striven to build, is a community of traders that work together, that help together to help everyone in the firm. We also want traders who can afford the initial capital requirements. We will discuss this in the next video. There are going to be some costs to get started. We're going to talk about that in the next video. What happens next? Well, the next step is to read the FAQs, frequently asked questions, which describe pretty much all the basic questions people have about Maverick trading, about prop trading and how it works, how the payout works. Read through those FAQs and decide if you want to go further. If you like what you see, go ahead and move on. If not, we wish you nothing but the best of luck. If you say, yes, I do want to go on, the next step will be to fill out an application that asks you your name, your contact information, your trading experience, what's the most capital you've ever traded. This is the information that our recruiters are going to need to see if you are the type of trader that we want to bring onto the firm. After submitting that application, you will then be directed to watch a full-length video. Now, you can watch it right then, or you'll also get a link in an email to where you can watch it a little later if you don't have the time. But a 30-minute video that really goes into depth about how we work, what it takes to trade live capital, how the profit splits work, how the payouts work, and how level advancement work. We want everyone looking into Maverick to have a really good idea of exactly the commitment we're making, because we understand that that just is the best way to do business. At that point, you will be assigned to a recruiter and they will reach out to you personally and set you up with temporary access to MaverickTrading.com if you are one of those pre-qualified traders. We wish you the best of luck. And the question is, are you our next trader?